Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
There's two numbers on a pressure washer that confuse a lot of people. We got right here, this is your PSI and this is your GPMs. PSI stands for pounds per square inch. That is the pressure, the water pressure that's coming out of that nozzle. Your GPMs is gallons per minute. That is the volume, the amount of water that's coming out of that nozzle right there. Some pressure washers have a high PSI and a low GPM. Some pressure washers have a low PSI and a high GPM. So what are you supposed to do? You can't make any sense out of that. It's easy. You just multiply the two together. PSI times GPM. And now you have one number to worry about. That is called your CP, cleaning power. Some people call that the CU rating, which stands for how many cleaning units you have. The higher the number, the better the unit is going to clean. It is literally as simple as that. That is an easy way to simplify those numbers. If you don't know what they mean, just multiply them together and you're done. You have one number. Till the next time, everybody, as usual, I will say Steve out.